Right folks, we're back out. So, I'm not even going to camp tonight, but what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a wee bushcraft cooking video. So, what's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight? So tonight, I'm going to make surf and turf. So I've got sirloin steak, prawns, herby potatoes, sweet red pepper, onion, spring onions, some garlic, a bit of chilli. I'm going to cook the whole lot up over the fire, and as always I'm just going to scoff the lot. So what I'm going to do, I've got the fire on, I'll just give you a wee look at that. So we've got that bad boy lit, just in the woods, so I'm going to let that burn down a wee bit. I'll stick the pan on the top of that and then we'll be good to go. Right folks, so the fire's burning down. Cracked open a Henry Weston's. Oh, nice and chilled out the fridge. So what we got? Right, so let us say I've got onions, sweet red pepper, garlic, spring onions, a wee bit of garlic butter, herby potatoes. I've got jumbo king prawns, and then I've got a big fat juicy sirloin steak. Oh yeah. So, I'm going to get the pan on, we'll get cooking. Stay tuned. Right, good old trusty Petromax. So, stuck some oil in it. Yeah, stick that right on the top. Heat the oil up, and then we're good to go. So, while I'm waiting on that cooking, cheers folks. Right, that's heating up. So what we'll do is, we'll chuck the potatoes on first. Always like to fry the potatoes first. Just kind of cooks them through a wee bit. Always kind of cook the veg, tatties, all that kind of stuff. Stick all that on first, and then I'll stick the steak on last. Oh, missed. Oh yeah, that's what I thought of it. So, let's say, we'll fry them off first. Right, what I'll also do, I'll chuck the onion in. Right, in fact, what we'll do is, we'll just chuck the whole lot in. Peppers, garlic, a bit of garlic butter, spring onion. We'll cook that all off. So, that's all the potatoes and the veg and that. So you can hear that sizzling. That's what we're talking about. Oh yeah. Oh, no, tasty snacker ready. Right, we're cooking away. So while that's sizzling away, that's just the first part of it. Next on, sirloin steak. So like I said, now at the night camping, I was going to stick a tent over the back door, but I'm going to wait till tomorrow night. So tomorrow night, meeting Bugsy. I think Johnny Outdoors, he's coming as well. So only spoke to Johnny Outdoors, or sorry, Johnny Explores Scotland it's called, that's his channel. Check his channel out as well. So he's coming out tomorrow night for a wee meet up. So we're going Lochside tomorrow night, so that should be good. Taking the TP tent, and I've also got that brand new spanking Pomeroy titanium stove, so I'm looking forward to using that. So we're christening that tomorrow night. I think Johnny Explores Scotland has told me he's bringing curry. Oh yeah, sounds good to me. So let's get back to the food. So next in, we'll get the steak in. So I'm going to give us a wee stir first. Stay tuned. Right, you ready for this? Oh, check that bad boy out. Nice sirloin steak. Sizzle time. Oh, yeah. Man beats that sound, does he? Lovely. So, pick that off. While that's on, well, we're not to jumbo king prawns. So, I'm just going to stick them on the top there. That's looking good to eat. Fantastic. So, steak on, prawns on, potatoes, onions, garlic, the full dinner. Oh, this is going to taste superb. Surf and tough, folks. Surf and tough. Oh yeah. Sizzle-tastic. Oh, that looks immense, doesn't it? Oh, I can't wait to eat this one. I've made this before, and I must admit, it was immense. So, looking forward to digging in. That's coming along nicely. Oh, look at that. You know it's going to taste superb. Well, I don't know about yous, but that looks good to me. So, I reckon it's time to dish up. It's time to start eating. Good to go. So, surf and turf, sirloin steak, jumbo king prawns, onions, peppers, fried potato, garlic, chillies, spring onion. Oh, I tell you, bring it on. Right, time for the taste test. Oh, hold on, we'll just get a wee swig of the Henry Westons. Very nice. Right, taste test time. So, surf and turf. Look at that. Sirloin steak. perfection. Jumbo prawns, top banana. Bit of potato, onion, garlic, everything else that I flung into it. Lovely. Oh. Tell you, you've not cooked that when you're out camping. Oh, you need to do it. Something tough, tremendous. Beats a pot noodle hands down. Oh, it really is good. See the fact it's cooked over the fire as well. Well, something about it, see the taste. It's just totally, it's that kind of flame grilled kind of flavour, that kind of smoky flavour. Oh, perfect. Oh, I could eat this all day long. Well, all gone. Apart from the last mouthful, got a bit of steak, I've got a bit of everything. Prawn, potato, onion, full booner. So, fantastic, loved it. Right, just a wee quick video, just a wee cooking video. But we're back out tomorrow night, TP tent like I say, meeting up with Bugsy, going to explore Scotland, so that'll be a good one. So make sure you tune into that one as well. So, as always, like the video, give it a wee thumbs up, give it a wee subscribe if you've not subscribed already, and hit that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.